In this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually build an application that connects with all FM radio stations across the globe, right? Which means on your application, you're going to see a lot of stations from different countries, and you can actually listen to these FM radios from the comfort of your home, alright? In this very video, I'm going to show you how you can build this World FM radio and how you can monetize it with Admob and publish it online for people to use. All you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end. But before we get started in building this, let me show you the application which I've already built and how it works. This is an app which I've already built, and on this session you can see this is a radio station, and you can simply come over to this session and select the country that you want to listen to. This is Nigeria. Then you click on Nigeria. When you click on that, it's going to simply refresh all the radio stations available for you. So if I go ahead and select this one, let's click on this one. All right, you can see right here the radio is playing, so let's click on another one.
I think that update came a couple of minutes ago.
Okay, so that is another station. Okay, all right, so let's head over to another country. Let's say we want to listen to radio stations from United States or United Kingdom, any of them. Let's go up a little bit. This is United States of America. Just click on this, and this is actually going to refresh. You can see right here, these are stations from United States. Okay, so if I click on this right now, okay, you can see right here from this particular application you can get all the information of what is happening in different countries just from your mobile phone. All right, and this is an application that most people would like to have on their mobile phone just to get the right information across the globe. All right, for you to build this application, there's a prompt for it, and also there's an HTML code for you to write. So if you head over to this very section right here, you can see right here, so if you click on this section right here, you can see these are the details of the application. You can simply change from dark to light mode. Everything is going to simply change. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply show you how I build this, and also how you can actually build this yourself, monetize it for people to start using. All right, so before you start, this is the prompt you're going to simply copy for me. So I'm going to simply copy this prompt. Then head over to your DeepSeek application. All right, so if you don't have DeepSeek, go ahead and download it. Then you have to simply paste the prompt right here. Okay, so this is the prompt. Then hit on this send button, then allow it to generate the code for you. You can see why the code is ready. Okay, so once it is done generating, just click on this copy button. All right, so this has been copied. Then the next thing you have to do is to simply head over to this website, which I'm going to show you right here, so we can simply analyze it and see if it is just the same thing that we want. All right, then we can simply go ahead and build this application. Let's get into it. Just head over to your browser. Then you have to simply search for HTML viewer. Okay, when you search for that, then this is going to simply prompt you to this video website. Just click on this one right here, then come over to this section and delete all of this stuff right here. Okay, then paste the code. Once you paste the code, this is going to simply pop up automatically. All right, so you can simply preview it fully. If you preview it fully, this is how it's going to simply look like. Okay, so from here you can simply go ahead and test the application, and from here you can simply go ahead and change the background. Let's say dark mode. I think I prefer this one. All right, so for the dark mode, this is what you're going to simply see. All right, so from here you can simply see the countries are also here. You can see the countries are also here. All right, so both Ethiopia, Iran, every country is here. Okay, so any country you want to go for, and the number of radio stations they have. Okay, so you can show right here for Portugal has 307 radio stations, and here this one right here has Peru has over 252 radio stations. All right, so that's that for now. So the next thing we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and build this app so we can actually monetize it and earn passive income when people start using it. Okay, this application is going to simply allow you to build an HTML app. Remember, this app is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All right, so we're going to simply be monetizing it and building it right now. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is simply click on this create an app. When you click on that, then scroll up and click on this create app. Then you have to simply select HTML. As we have, you can build with URL, can also build with zip file. Okay, but here we want to build with HTML. Okay, then hit on this and paste that same code you generated from DeepSeek. Then they're going to ask you several questions, right? Then how to use Cloud AI. Forget about this one, how to use this and that. Just add your app name right here. Let's say I want to add FM Boots. Okay, then I'm going to add my email here. Let's say I want to add John Francis at paddedvibes.com. Then click on next button. Then you have to simply select your app color and theme, okay, and also your app logo. Just go ahead and design an app logo for your shop from Canva. You can do that, all right? Search for FM logo. Okay, I think I prefer this one. Make sure you download it as PNG. Okay, so guys, if you're getting value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated. Okay, so come over to this session. Remember, our theme is red, so I'm going to select red so that it will look mature. Then select the icon, select this one, click on OK. All right, it has been added here. Then click on done, next button rather. Then this app is loading. You can see right here the app is 100% ready for iOS and for Android. Okay, so I'm going to simply click on this download now, or you can go ahead and edit it. So I'm going to simply click on edit. If you click on edit, you can add your WhatsApp, you can add your Facebook, X, your YouTube, and a lot more, right? You can change some customization. Then after that, you can add action bar. If you want to add action bar, then click on this download button. The app is downloading. Then I'm going to go ahead and log in to my account, telling you this is the app. Then click on this download button. You can see right here you can download the app as an APK file. If you want to upload, you can download for AAB. So I'm going to download for APK because I'm using Samsung. So hit on this download button and let's wait for it to load. You can see right here the app is building. Then wait for 2 to 5 minutes. The app is almost ready. Okay, so click on download. Anyway, go to app details. Okay, so the app is already set, so I'm going to go ahead and rename it. The app is already cool, but I want to remove all of this numbering. Okay, then click on OK, then hit on the install button. I want to install it to my mobile phone right now. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. So guys, if you've not liked this video, I want you to go ahead and like this video, share this video to your friend, turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it. All right, then click on this open button. All right, so the app is ready. The privacy policy is already here. Click on accept. All right, so you can see right here the app is ready. So let's click on this. If you click on this, you're going to simply go ahead and listen to any country of your choice. All right, so if you click on this, you're going to see this is Armenia. You can see this is Angola. Let's go ahead and select Canada. Then if you select Canada, then click on Canada. This is actually right here. Okay, I'm just pausing this because of copyright issue, because this is actually everything is working perfectly well, right? And this is perfectly the way you can easily go ahead and build your own application, your Word FM application, so that people can actually use it. And when the ads are displaying, you can simply go ahead and make money with it, okay, from Google Admob, right? I've made a couple of videos on how to monetize your Admob app. I've made a couple of videos on how to upload it on app stores and also how to promote your app. Okay, make sure you watch this video showing your screen right now so you can actually go ahead and monetize your application. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.
Hey, want to learn high-income digital skills using just your phone? Join our Telegram community. It's all from John Francis.
Build, grow, earn. Mr. John Francis.